Hello everyone. So today this video is all about Yandex algorithm. So just like Google, Yandex is also a search engine that is a Russian search engine, and even though most of the functionalities are same, but still this does have few other functionalities which I felt is important to discuss for this SEO community, and that is the main purpose of today's video. So in this video we'll be learning some small brief about what is Yandex, and also some of the principalities and the functionalities of the Yandex algorithm, because that is also a search engine, and ranking in Yandex is also quite big, because in Russia this does account for 46% of the market share, even though in the world it's just 1.2, but still it does matter. So if any of you are a Russian viewer, so this video is for you. Okay, so as you can see that Yandex was actually found on 1997 by Comtech, and it does have around 47.8% of market share, which it even surpassed Google in August 2017. However, the total global searches is only about 1.5%, but I think this is still worth it because this is very influential among the European Unions, and because they are mostly concerned about Google's control over the Android devices. Now, this is why Yandex is important for optimizing. So about some of the mobile algorithms. So the first one, as you can see the name, it's a very complicated name. It is pronounced as Vladivostok. So this is actually an algorithm that came into the existence in 2016, and the purpose of this algorithm is that it shifted the main focus towards mobile user based optimization, which means that if people are using more mobile devices, then the website should be more mobile friendly, and that should be given prioritized. The next algorithm is Palek. So in 2016, once again this algorithm was launched, and the purpose of this algorithm is to just decipher the semantics and interpretation of the queries, and to map the relevant queries against the relevant searches. So you can say this is just like the semantic engineering, where the relevant searches would be mapped with the relevant queries and the relevant results. So in short, you can say this is all playing with the intent of the user. Then we have which was launched in August 2017. It's Coral. It's known as Korolyov. So right after Palek, so Korolyov, it is one step more ahead of that, which means that this actually makes Palek's foundation more strong to deliver the results in a more comprehensive and faster way. Apart from that, we have few other algorithms which have been launched in the last 6 years. One in 2018 known as Yandex.Q, and one in 2019 known as Vega. So the purpose of Vega is, so the Vega's purpose is like this works on neural network system. It's a trained model where a lot of machine learning and neural network nodes are working together to provide greater relevancy and accuracy. In short, this is a direct competitor of the information retrieval system that Google have introduced, and Yandex.Q is something that is launched right after, that is launched actually after this Vega was launched. But the purpose of Vega was to just understand the initial insights on the Vega. So you can say Vega is the advanced version of Yandex.Q. Then we have link-based algorithms. So then we are shifting towards the link-based algorithm. So we have two link-based algorithms. One is the Nepo filter algorithm, which was launched back in 2005. It works just like Google. So this reduces the chances of link exchanges and PBNs, while it appreciates the sites that gets backlinks from authoritative websites. And the second, that was launched in 2013. Even though it is unnamed, but the thing is that this algorithm mostly is the new link-based algorithm, which is actually known as -Sync. So -Sync is an algorithm that is still on the beta phase, but the purpose is to understand the more topical relevance of the backlink and to reward backlink based on the topical trust flow which the backlink is being acquired. Then we have two local algorithms. So one of the name is Arzamas, and another one is Obnisks. So Arzamas has been launched in 2009. So the purpose of this is to automatically determine the queries from a regional perspective by taking all the language all the language factors into the attribution. And Obnix is the algorithm that was launched in 2010, and the purpose of this is to target the low quality link spam, thereby improving the search result relevance. And lastly, we have the content and quality algorithm. So we have an unnamed algorithm update from 2007, which focuses more on the factor that is waiting for the single and multi-word word queries, accompanied by enhanced support from the Yandex search team. So in short, this contains a lot of ranking formulas that focused more on similar topics such as the term frequency versus the inverse document frequency, which you have previously learned from Google. Then we have 8 SP1, which was launched in 2008. And this is similar to the trust rank. Just like the page rank, this is a trust rank that evaluates the website's credibility and reducing the reliance on backlinks. So this is the algorithm that looks beyond the picture of the backlink. And last but not the least, we have MACDAN, which was introduced once again in May 2008. And the purpose is to make sure that the search engines are being able to understand the queries more properly and abruptly. So guys, as you can see, Yandex is full of exciting new algorithms, even though many of them resonate closer to Google. But the thing is that both of them have their own coding languages. The principality, the coding languages that is being used, or the technology that is being used, are quite different. So in short, this is quite good that if you can also start optimizing for Yandex, because the thing is that there are various people from the European segment who are very much concerned about the privacy that Google offers. So for them, Yandex would be the alternate choice. So it's always better to have a control on a different search engine, because like who knows, like tomorrow Google can go down and Yandex can be the next new search engine. So it's better to work on two stores rather than just being dependent on one search engine. Thanks for watching.